Put on a pair of chunky socks and blast some hot air from a blow dryer onto your feet from a distance for 20 to 30 seconds. Now walk around to loosen the shoe material while it's still hot and flexible. Or dust some talcum powder to make your feet glide into the shoes and banish blisters for good. For a better grip, scrape the soles of your shoes with a sandpaper. For a more temporary solution, spray on hairspray to the soles to make them a little more slip-proof. You will have to reapply this on a daily basis. Before stepping outside, be sure the hairspray has dried completely. For a more permanent solution, apply a thin layer of an outliner to the sole of your shoe. Let it dry completely before you put them on. Simply swipe the back and sides of your foot with a deodorant before throwing on your just purchased heels or flats. The deodorant acts as a barrier protecting your skin from friction. Or just plaster a band-aid to the blister-prone areas and you're all set. If your toes are constantly sliding forward in your shoe and you're prone to shoe bites, then silicone cushions are meant for you. The gel inserts stick to your shoe insoles well, but are also easy to swap among your shoes. Buff a thick layer of beeswax on canvas shoes. Blast some hot air onto the shoes till the wax melts. Let this cool till the wax hardens and your shoes are protected against water.